In this video, I will show you how to make tea with a moka pot. I will show you brewing 1 tea bag, brewing 1 tea bag without a filter, brewing a full basket of tea, and brewing a full basket of tea without a filter. Let's start. I poured water into the bottom chamber of the coffee maker and put 1 tea bag in the basket. I turned the coffee maker on and put it on medium heat. It boiled in about 2 minutes. I tried it. It looked and tasted like ordinary tea. But of course, coffee was always prepared in this coffee maker. And that's why I felt a little coffee aftertaste. And here is a used tea bag. Then I put 5 tea bags in a coffee maker and put it on medium heat. Let's see how it started boiling. Let's see how it boiled out. And let's see how it finished boiling. This tea looks more black. It tastes strong and has a richer taste. It is very tasty with sugar. This tea is good, but it's not much different from regular tea. Let's look at it from different angles. Here are the used tea bags. It looks like a tea burger. And now I will show you how to make tea in a coffee maker without a filter. I opened the tea bag and poured it into the basket of the coffee maker. Here is what it looks like. I closed the coffee maker and put it on the stove. The tea boiled out again. The taste of this tea was a little stronger and better than the one prepared with a filter. This is what used tea looks like without a filter. And now I will show you how I made tea in a coffee maker from 10 tea bags without a filter. With these 10 bags, I completely filled the basket from the coffee maker. Let's take a quick look at it. Let's look at it from different angles. Then I closed the coffee maker and put it on medium heat. This time I think it will be better to show you the whole boiling process. I will show you the boiling process from start to finish. This will take approximately 1 minute and 30 seconds. But of course, if you want, you can skip it. This tea really looks like coffee. This tea looks very black. I tried it. This is a very strong tea. It is also very tart, and this tea is very difficult to drink. I tried to drink this tea with sugar, but it's still too strong. Considering that tea contains caffeine, I think that such tea can be harmful to health. That's why I probably won't recommend you to drink such strong tea as this one. Let's look at this tea from different angles. It is very black. Let's look at used tea. It's very similar to used coffee. This tea really looks like coffee. It was like an experiment. If you want, you can also watch my first video on my channel, how to make coffee with a moka pot like a pro. I didn't want to drink this tea, so I just put it down the sink. If you liked my video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.